must I release those who should never see the light of day.
What's up everybody, it's Benjamin Spay here bringing you more LEGO content, with today the final video for one of my biggest LEGO projects so far, Project 42, which it might actually be in a literal sense. Over the past weeks I released most of the models in small slideshow videos, but now it's time to release the rest of them and combine them all in one big epic video. The goal was to create all 42 Rahkshi types from the Bionicle storyline with fitting staffs using only genuine LEGO pieces. Because as cool as modified parts can be, they typically always make mocks more expensive and less accessible to the average user. The main focus for this project lies on the staff designs, where I try to match each one of them to one of the 42 Krata powers. Just like with many of my tower mocks, I wanted it to be so that if you looked at the model, you could see or at least make an educated guess as to what power it has, especially if you know the list of Krata powers. Here's a photo of all 42 staffs, and if you'd like you can pause the video now to see if you can figure out which power belongs to which staff. In all cases the body construction is identical to the original 6 Rahkshi. I did completely overhaul nearly all of the color schemes, both because of part limitations but also because a lot of the color schemes appear so random and they don't match the elemental colors at all. For example, a Rahkshi of gravity are supposed to be blue and silver, yet the elemental colors for gravity are purple and black, so I changed all Rahkshi to match the elemental colors whenever possible. Some Rahkshi got grouped together, such as Sleep, Slow and Silence, and I felt like the hindering powers, so made those all green. And then other times it was really a matter of which color combinations do I have left. All whilst keeping 7 red, 7 blue, 7 green Rahkshi and so on to keep things nice and balanced, as you can see on the overview. Lastly, as is to be expected on this channel, the StatVideo file for all of the staffs is available for free via the link in the description below. And because I left the body construction the same, as long as you have all 6 of the original Rahkshi, you only need the staff ends and possibly 10 ball socket connectors to be able to create any Rahkshi in this video. The only exception is magnetism, where you would need 5 red and 5 blue ball socket connectors. If you do have any questions as to how to build these models, feel free to let me know in the comments below. Feedback is welcome, appreciation too of course. I'd also love to hear your top 3. Now I will go and try to find a place for all these models. Perhaps I should refresh my memory with my how to improve your LEGO display video. Alright everybody, enjoy the rest of the slideshow, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time when a new idea washes up on the shore of a golden beach.